How to apply for jobs on LinkedIn step by step. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn using the Easy Apply method, step by step. This will help you apply faster and smarter, especially for business analyst roles. Step 1. Zero people. Search for jobs. First, go to the LinkedIn homepage and click on the Jobs tab at the top. Then, in the search bar, type the job title, for example, Business Analyst, and select your desired location, like United Kingdom. Now hit the search button. Step 2. Apply filters. To narrow it down, you can use filters at the top like experience level, remote jobs, salary range, or select only those with Easy Apply. This helps you save time and target only the most relevant openings. Step 3. Choose a job. Scroll through the results and pick a job that matches your skills and interest. Here, I'm selecting this one by Heat Recruitment, a business analyst project manager role. Step 4, 110, 130, review the job description. Always read the full job description before applying. Check if the role is remote, what level they are hiring for, and what key skills are needed, like Agile, insurance, or Jira experience. Step 5, click Easy Apply. Now click the blue Easy Apply button. A pop-up will open where you can upload your resume, fill out basic details like phone number, and answer any screening questions. Step 6, 150, upload your resume. Make sure your resume is in PDF or Word format and it's updated. Use a resume tailored for the job. If you need a sample, check the link in the description of this video. Step 7, add a cover letter, optional. If there's an option to upload a cover letter, I recommend doing it. Even a short, personalized paragraph can make a big difference. Step 8, 230, submit your application. Once everything looks good, click Submit Application. That's it. You've applied in less than 3 minutes. Follow up. After applying, you can scroll down and see the recruiter's name. In this case, it's Ashley Wilson. Click Message to introduce yourself or send a connection request with a short thank you note.